I know that you have heard this very common phrase, video is king, but yet you're getting skeptical because your latest video didn't bring in any leads. So what's the truth? Most videos fail not because of bad editing, not because of bad music choices or cutting or angles, but because they missed one simple step. They were made without a marketing strategy. I've been involved in video production for so long and marketing mixed in that I've worked with big brands, small brands, and I've seen what works and what absolutely kills momentum. So let's fix this.
One nerd, two nerds, three nerds, four. Marketing nerds do so much more. Over hill and high where the nerd buggies go. Come along to bring you the Marketing Nerd Show. La 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 la.
Welcome to the Marketing Nerds Podcast. My name is Brian, where big ideas come in small, powerful doses. Here on this podcast, I'm not giving you any fluff, no filler, just straight up clear as day strategies that you can use today to grow smarter, to increase customers in your business, to be faster, efficient, and of course, cool and nerdy. I'm from marketingnerds.ai. Go visit our website, and thank you for watching this channel. Now, I know for a fact, because I've been doing this for so long, that you have invested so much time, so much money, so much energy into creating video content. You are so happy with that final piece of content. But when you go ahead and post it on social media platforms, especially YouTube, somehow it's fallen flat. It's not delivering the results you expected. There's no leads, no engagement. What's going on? No return on your investment. Does this sound familiar? But don't worry. You are not alone, my friend. And after almost 2 decades, I'm old, in the video production world and in marketing, I've seen this happen across all industries. And the problem usually isn't the video itself. It's the strategy behind it. So in this guide, I'm really going to simply break it down for you and give you the 5 most common video marketing mistakes that I have seen. These are so simple, it's ridiculous. Big brands even make some of these mistakes. And I'm going to show you how to fix them so your next video actually helps grow your business, get more leads, boost conversions, and stop wasting your content budget without making more videos. You don't have to do that. Just do these 5 simple tweaks and you're good to go. So let's get into it. All right, so mistake number 1. I see this all the time. Big companies do this a lot. Making an about us video that no one really cares about. Forgive my writing there. No one really cares about these videos. Everyone I know who wants to do a video starts with these types of videos, the About Us video. And everyone gets it wrong. It's focused on the business, not the buyer. And this is where you fall flat. So how to fix this basically is to use your video to speak directly to your customer's pain. Then introduce your solution. Introduce a pain, introduce the solution. Go ahead and swap out that our mission is we do this with here's how we help people like you. That's the first mistake. All right, let's go on to mistake number 2. No call to action. I see this so many times. Clients come to me, Brian, we've spent so much money on this video. Can you help us? We're not getting anyone calling us up. And as soon as I watch the video, it's a great video, but then viewers don't even know what to do next. And all you really need to do this is put a clear next step. Every video that you create should have a clear call to action. Use simple CTAs. We call them that in the marketing world, but what it really means is call to action. Like book a free call, get the free checklist, try the demo, put it in your videos, every single one of them. Please. All right, mistake number 3 that I see a lot. Mistake number 3, this is so simple. Uploading once and ghosting. Forgive me for my writing. You publish a video and you just put up there, never just, okay, it's up. Big deal. Repurpose it. You can turn this one video into 10, maybe 50, 60 assets. Put it up on Instagram as reels, little shorts, carousels, quotes on LinkedIn. Put it in blog embeds. Turn that one video into multiple assets and post across platforms for 2 to 3 weeks. So when you post it, it's still going to grow. You're like, okay, all you're doing is putting one seed down and you're hoping this thing's going to get bigger. And I'm saying repurpose. Post across platforms for the next 2 to 3 weeks with shorter content. Build a distribution engine, not a graveyard. And again, forgive my writing. This will get better as we go along. Number 4, views. You are optimizing for views, not conversions. If you're creating a video for people to watch and to be entertained, that's exactly what's happening. They're watching and entertaining. Views are nice, but revenue is better, right? And the problem is that the videos that are going viral aren't always the ones that convert. This is a trend, a mindset that many of my clients even have. Oh, if it goes viral, it's going to convert. Let me tell you, I've had so many clients with great videos. Sure, they get millions of views. 5 people buy something from them. So what you could do is create videos designed for a funnel. And we all know the funnel. It's really simple. You got the awareness stage where you entertain. It's shareable. That's all cool, but that's sometimes where videos stop, is right at that stage. But you want more. You want a conversion. So in the end and in the middle, actually, going right down the funnel, put that direct call to action in there, handle some objections, use customer stories, build some trust, entertain, build trust, call to action. It's really that simple. All right, let's get into mistake number 5. Oh, this is a good one. Ignoring data. Love my writing. Ignoring data. Oof. Most businesses post video without measuring impact. I know it. I've seen it. So if you're going to post a video and not even know what it's doing, why? Why even waste your time? You don't even know what's working. So one simple metric that you want to look at is watch time and the click-through rate and how many conversions are coming in. If you notice that looking at that data, it's so important. One simple thing is that if you create this 3-minute video and all of a sudden people are dropping off after 20 seconds, you need to change something. You don't just post and ghost. Go back in there and look at that data. People are dropping off. You need to change something. It's that simple. I've seen this happen to everyone, from solo entrepreneurs to marketing teams with 6-figure budgets. They put effort into making beautiful videos, but behind the camera, something critical is missing. And that's that strategy that we can provide at marketingnerds.ai. We are built to drive business outcomes. Don't get stuck in the content trap. Think about this. Please don't think that you need a better gear, better editing, or a bigger budget. The truth is, you don't need more content. You just need a better strategy. All right, that's your hit of marketing wisdom for the day. If it makes you think, act, or plan differently, share it with a fellow nerd. And be sure to subscribe for more bite-sized brilliance. And join in the fun as always at marketingnerds.ai. Till next time, stay sharp, stay scrappy, and just keep being a nerd.
Does all of this sound complicated? Visit marketingnerds.ai to set up some time to talk and let us help.